I can't get with those.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jeremy back with another video. I'm going to give y'all a little rundown on how much I paid for my F-150, my 2020 F-150. Give y'all a POV footage. Just getting off of work. Y'all work full time. There's YouTube, part-time YouTube or starter YouTube. It is a little tough. You know, I work overnight and don't get off until the next day. So it is a little tough though, but man, without further ado, let me get right into it. The MSRP for this truck was $62,000. It's fully loaded. Pretty much every option that you can think of is in this truck, besides the technology package, with which include like 360 degree camera, and I believe adaptive cruise control. Those are only two things I don't have in this vehicle. Other than that, everything else is equipped with this truck. So that's how much the sticker price is. What I paid for this vehicle out the door was $58,800. Yes, $58,800. I mean, it's my dream truck, so I didn't, really care about, what the price was. I think I got a good deal on it because Illinois taxes is high as hell. So if you think about it, if I didn't work for Ford and didn't have my discount that I get qualify for, on top of the sales manager giving me a discount as well on top of my discount. I've been knowing him for some years, so if I didn't have that in my favor, I would have probably been out the door with this truck probably about like a good, I want to say a good 66, anywhere between 65 or 66,000 out the door, because Illinois taxes is high, extremely high. So with that being said, I paid $58,800 out the door. They also threw in a bed spray and bed liner, and also the tonneau cover as well. So I got those two things thrown in the price. I put down $15,800, and I financed the rest, which is $43,000 with my bank. It's a credit union, so my credit union financed me that $43,000. My monthly payments a month is $712, which includes gap protection as well. So if you think about it, it's about like a 43,000. So basically like 40. Let's say 47, because I think the gap was about like 500 or so. 48. Let's say that. Yeah. So I financed that, and I pay $712 a month. My interest rate is 5.4. 5.4 interest rate in a $712 monthly payment. So with that being said, the reason why I financed through my credit union is because would have had a low interest rate. Another reason I wanted to do that was because I wanted to have something of a high amount, so I can have it on my credit report to show down the line if I ever want to finance another vehicle after I'm done paying this or any other thing. I have a good credit line of credit that I can show lenders that I can pay my debt off on time with no late fees, and it'll basically show a good credit history. That's one thing that you got to know. If you got a good credit score and you don't have credit history to show for it behind it, 9 out of 10, that lender or bank or whoever, car dealership, they not going to loan you a good chunk of money just because you have a good credit score. You got to have something to show for that you was able to pay on for X amount of time, and make sure that you had your monthly payments on time. If you got repos or something that you pay late on and everything like that, and got things in collections, 9 out of 10, they gonna look at that and they gonna deny you, or they gonna ask for a co-signer. So that's just a food for thought, man. yeah, and then also I'll pay a little extra a month as well for it, so I can knock these payments down and get the amount down lower. So that's another thing that help you with trying to get your credit score up, is actually paying on time and also paying a little extra on your monthly payments. So I hope y'all learned a little bit as well, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just showing you how much I pay a month, and also a little bit of POV action up with the other vehicle. I love this truck, man. I love this truck to death. I got it for a reason, man. I was going to get a scat pack, but I didn't. This just meet all my needs of what I want from the truck, and also it'll do greatly in the snow because it's a 4x4. So if I would have got the scat pack, I would have had to get another vehicle, and that pretty much cost more money to get another vehicle, which I didn't want to get a hoopty for numerous reasons, because I don't want to get stranded in the snow and so forth. So yeah, if you haven't done so, man, subscribe to the channel. I'm giving away $100 for my first 500 subscribers. I'm almost close to 100, y'all. I'm almost there. I know it's not much, but hey, you gotta you gotta crawl before you can walk. And yeah, man, so help your boy get up to 500 subscribers by subscribing to the channel, sharing this video, or telling your friends, hey, he's giving away $100. So be that lucky person to win $100, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.